Hello and welcome to a new Dota 2 report. I've caught up with a hero known as Axe. He's been clearing camps in the Radiant Jungle up to this point, and I hope to get a quick interview with him. Let's wait for him to finish off those creeps. Hello, thank you for your time, Axe.
Axe is Axe!
So you've been jungling here. How's that been going? How has the ability Counter Helix helped you? It says here that it has a chance to activate when attacked.
Axe!
What items are you working on?
Axe is Axe!
It is somewhat difficult to have a two-way conversation with someone with a limited number of pre-recorded responses.
Tell me about it.
Someday, I'll return to the Blue Heart Glacier.
I guess I'll just have to accept this and move on, huh?
Axe!
'Cause I'm free. Free farming. Haha.
And stay back, Tidehunter. You wouldn't want to die again now, would you?
No.
Well, good.
Owie!
Getting good farm, Juggernaut?
Yes, good farm. Very rich. Purchase boots of phase.
Great!
This conversation was likely very easy to animate.
Firebird ahoy! Brace! Haha! Haha, yes! It's almost time for the rune to spawn in the river! Hasty rune indeed! Ah!